Hello guys, welcome to my channel Mimi's Glam Designs. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this beautiful DIY centerpiece using items of the Dollar Tree and Home Goods. I'll also show you guys a different way of showcasing the centerpiece with different candles as a second option, just in case you guys can find the candelabra. And here it is. It's very simple, beautiful, but it will add a lot of charm and beauty to your dining table. Following are the items to use for this DIY. This beautiful candelabra, I found it at Home Goods for only $35. It's so elegant and the crystals bring the gold a modern look, but with a lot of character at the same time. We'll also need one bunch of peonies and roses from the Dollar Tree. I picked pink and white. These other peonies are from Michael's. The color is peach and it was only $9.99, but with a 60% off that they have going on right now, it came out to $3.99, so a pretty good deal. As well as these bunches, I bought them also at Michael's. A decorative tray, this you can find at the Dollar Tree, and it will serve as the base of our centerpiece. A wire cutter, a hot glue gun, gold spray paint. In this case, I chose a metallic color. I got this at Walmart for only $3.99 or $3 and change. Now that we have everything we need, let's begin. We start spray painting the decorative tray to allow it some time to dry for at least an hour. Then we go ahead and start cutting the flowers. Make sure to incorporate the leaves as well, since they will make it feel more full. We'll repeat the same process with the bunches, but cut in 3 little pieces at a time. Now that the tray is dry, we proceed to place the flowers in the order we'll be gluing them. I'll be placing the 2 peach across each other, making them the main focus. Then filling them with the bunches in between each flower in a diagonal shape. Now that it's all set up, we proceed to glue. These 2 pieces were also part of the original peach bunch, which they'll be placed to the sides of the main flowers. Here is a closer look of an alternative way to showcase the centerpiece using this glass candle holder and this shiny and beautiful sparkly candle from the Dollar Tree, both of them. The other ones, the little ones, I had them from last Christmas, so just feel free to play with different heights and different colors of candles. And here we have the final result, this beautiful spring candle tray that was very easy to make, and it's so unique because we just made it ourselves. I feel like this reminds us of the beauty of spring, and it will fit well in a receiving table or a dining table. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. I'd like to hear from you which color or flowers you'll be using to make yours. So leave your comments below and that will make me really happy. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. I love you all and see you next time.